Mr. Speaker, I wish to request for a statement on the ongoing dismissal of county employees in Vihiga County following payroll irregularities. Mr. Speaker, sir, I rise pursuant to Standing Order 53-1 to seek a statement from the Standing Committee on Labor and Social Welfare on the matter of county-wide concern regarding the ongoing dismissal of over 500 employees by the county government of Vihiga arising from payroll irregularities covering the period between 2019 and 2025. Mr. Speaker, sir, a payroll reconciliation exercise was undertaken by the County Executive of Vihiga, which revealed anomalies in the payment of salaries and allowances, with some employees being overpaid while others being the County Public Service Board, upon which the executive recommended the dismissal of the employees across 3 departments of health, public service, and finance. Consequently, over 60 employees, including junior and middle-level officers, have already been issued with dismissal letters, while the accounting officers in charge of public service, finance, and human capital, who bear overall responsibility under Regulation 22(1)B of the Public Finance Management County Government Regulation 2015, have not been affected. This is contrary to the requirement that accounting officers be accountable to their county assembly for establishing and maintaining effective financial management controls and systems. Mr. Speaker, sir, the Office of the Auditor General, in a special audit report on the payroll management of the County Executive of Vihiga that was published in July 2025, made the following findings. 1, misalignment between the budget vote heads in the IPPD and the HRSKE system and approved budgets. Inconsistencies between the budgetary allocation and actual expenditure, irregular posting of salaries between vote heads in IPPD and IFMIS, unsupported payment of arrears amounting to Kenya shillings 3,117,000, salaries paid above prescribed rates, cases of overpayment and underpayment, data integrity issues, weak internal controls, lack of internal audit mechanisms, and discrepancies between the designation in the payroll and the approved staff establishment. Further, neither the reconciliation report nor the Auditor General's report were tabled and debated in the County Assembly, thereby denying the Assembly an opportunity to exercise the oversight mandate. In the statement, the committee should address the following. 1, the contents of the payroll reconciliation report for the period 2019-2020, including why the same was not shared with affected employees in line with the fair administrative action principle. 2, the total number of affected employees, their designations, amount overpaid and underpaid, the criteria used in determining culpability, including how the affected employees allegedly contributed to the fraud and the inconsistencies. 3, the specific action taken against the accounting officers and the responsible departmental heads in line with the Regulation 22(1)B of the Public Finance Management County Government Regulation 2015. 4, the legal and administrative justification for requiring employees to refund alleged overpayments while simultaneously issuing dismissal letters, and whether these constitute double jeopardy, and unfair labor practice. 5, whether the County Public Service Board has commenced recruitment to replace the dismissed employees despite the existing freeze on employment and the legal basis for such action. And lastly, 6, steps taken by the county executive and the county's public service board to implement the findings and the recommendations of the Auditor General report that was published in July 2025, including measures to prevent recurrence, and whether in light of the reports not being properly canvassed in the county assembly, the board could rescind the decisions on the dismissals until the county assembly is seized of the matter. Thank you, Mr. Speaker.
Senator Mandago.